today is me. Today I'm going to be doing a video and I'm going to be playing with slime. So even though it's not like the regular videos of slime, I just have more than one. So let's get started. So if you have slime like mine, or if you don't, you can see that there's glitter and stuff inside, and I like it. Have you ever let's talk about my life. So all the time I used to be having fun.
Alright, we either go upstairs or cut it off.
Okay. So I love my slime. But we're just telling you guys, I love it. My friend Gabby did it. Okay, well, if you like the video, smash the like, hit the notification bell, and if you do, I'll give away of my new clothes that I just got from Target. Okay, bye!